Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we are doing a comparison between Synder and FreshBooks. We'll see which accounting software wins. Synder or FreshBooks? Both promise to simplify your finances, but which one actually delivers? Let's break it down. You might be surprised by the winner. When we look at who or what they are best for, Synder is best for e-commerce, multi-platform sync like Shopify, Stripe, and etc. And the rest I meant. FreshBooks is for freelancers and small businesses. When it comes to automation, Synder auto syncs sales, taxes, and expenses, while FreshBooks has strong invoicing and time tracking. Integrations. When you look at integrations, Synder has deep e-commerce and payment links integrations, while FreshBooks has third-party apps but fewer than Synder. When it comes to pricing, Synder starts at $20 per month and scales with your sales, while FreshBooks starts at $17 per month and has limited features. When we look at both of them, are they user-friendly? Well, Synder has a slightly steeper learning curve, while FreshBooks is super intuitive, clean, and has a clean dashboard. When we look at their tax help, Synder has real-time tax calculations, while FreshBooks has basic tax reports. When we look at their mobile app, they both have mobile apps. That of Synder is good but focused on data sync, while that of FreshBooks is excellent for the on-the-go invoicing. So in conclusion, Synder is a powerhouse for e-commerce sellers, while FreshBooks keeps it simple for solopreneurs. If you need deep automation, Synder. If you want slick invoicing, choose FreshBooks. So which one saves you more time and money? If you sell online, Synder is your money-saving sidekick. If you're a freelancer, FreshBooks keeps it stress-free. Which one fits your business? Comment below and hit like for more software showdowns.